guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my updated foundation routine. So if you'd like to see more of that, then please keep on watching. So I moisturized my face, so now I'm going to go right into my primer, and I've been loving this Ordinary formula. It's really good. It's actually very good for my skin. It's been helping me with my breakouts, and it acts as a moisturizer and a primer for me because it have that grip feeling that I know my makeup is gonna stick right into it. So I just have like at least 3 drops of this on my face, and it's so good. It's so good. But you have to be careful though, because you have to make sure your skin is not super sensitive, because it will irritate your skin. So make sure you look into it. So now I'm going to be color correcting, because I did have a lot of breakout, because my skin was like, hello, I'm not working for you today. So I do have a lot of breakup, so I'm gonna be color correcting that. Correcting with my LA Girl Pro Concealer Color Corrector in the color orange, and I'm just gonna color correct like basically my dark spots, you know, just for the foundation, so I don't need to use a lot of foundation just for that.
I always color correct because sometimes the foundation that I use, they are able to cover it up, but these are like so bad that they won't be able to cover it up so much.
I'm going to be taking a wet beauty blender, and I'm just going to blend all of this out. I do set this down because I don't want to put my foundation right on top of it, because it will kind of mix into the foundation and make it look like a whole different color. And since I am oily skin, I want to make sure everything is set down. So I'm going to be using my Airspun loose face powder in the color Naturally Natural. And yeah, I'm just going to be setting my whole face with this. Trick right here is, it works. Let me tell you, if you have oily skin and you want to make sure that your foundation sticks, it stays, and it doesn't come off too oily all the time, you need to set your primer with a it doesn't have to be a thick setting powder or loose face powder. It's just something that works for you, and you know it's good for your skin, and you know that it's gonna keep everything is set, all the oils at base, that you know throughout the whole day your foundation is looking bomb. So I discovered this new trick on Instagram. I was scrolling and I saw this new trick for people who also have oily skin, and I tried it like 2 times before, but I don't really like knew if I did it right, so I'm gonna be trying it today again to see if it actually worked. So I already did the first step, was like your moisturizer, your primer, and then you set it down with a face powder, and then you spray it to set everything down. So what I'm gonna use to set everything on my face, I'm gonna be using my Morphe continuous setting mist to set everything in, as I said what we should do. So let's see how it goes. That spray, it has a very like fragrancy type of smell. It's not overbearing, but it's alright. And I'm gonna just dry it down. Like, I have a fan. If you don't have one, you need to get one. Just make sure everything is settled into the face. To my foundation, I just started using this and I don't know how I really feel about it yet, and it's the JUVIA'S Place Stick Foundation, and this is in the shade Mozambique. I really don't know how to pronounce it, but I'll have the name listed down in the description box below. I just wanted to know, like, if it's the hype, if it's worth the hype, if it's really like a good full coverage foundation. So I bought it. So far, I don't know, I've been experienced, I don't know if it's normal, but they have, I never tried a stick foundation, but it have some little, I really don't know what they are, but they're like little bumps, okay? But overall, it's really great so far, you know. It's alright. I never been, well, I never even tried a stick foundation before, so I don't know how I feel about it, but it's okay, it's okay. I'll be taking my Real Technique 200 brush. It blends in really nicely, I have to say that. It does blend in really good. My all-time favorite concealer, and it's gonna be in the LA Girl Pro concealer in the color Fawn. This concealer is literally my go-to concealer for, I want to cover up my dark circles, but I don't want it to have like such a bright under eye, because I just want it to look very seamless and more natural in a way, I guess. For some reason, I've been loving blending out my concealer with a brush. I don't know, it just gives me a different feeling, I guess, and it makes everything look more seamless and blend into together. I don't know what it is, but it works so good for me. And the brush I'm using is from Real Techniques, and this is the number 413. It's really good, I have to say. It does blend everything out very seamless, and it makes everything look all in one. But I will switch between a brush and a beauty blender when I need to. So I'm not going to be cream contouring because it's not going to be a dramatic look, so I'm just going to be setting my whole face. The JUVIA'S Place setting powder, and this is in the shade Kalahari. Listen, these names and me, they don't go together, so just look in the description box above. But this is kind of like a more banana shade. I don't know if it could be a little bit too light, but I'm gonna be mixing it, a little bit of it, with my Airspun facial powder, just so it can be not too bright under the eye, because that's bright, super bright. But I think I'm just gonna put this under my eye, and then put my Airspun face powder everywhere else, because it's okay if the eye a little bit bright, but I don't want my whole face to be bright. So this powder, I really just set it down, like I cannot see my pores at all. I'm just gonna leave it right here. I'm not even gonna blend that out. I want that snatch on the nose. I like that look. So now for like everywhere else, I'm gonna be using my Airspun loose face powder. My bronzer, I'm gonna be using the BH Cosmetic bronzer, and this is the Brilliance bronzer and the shade Cocoa Cutie. Contouring my nose just a little bit. I don't want to go too crazy with this. And I always bring it into my crease area, just have a little bit of a blend. Doesn't want to, like, you want to make it look more blended in. Now for blush, I'm going to be using my Makeup Revolution blush, and this is in the shade Rose Kisses, and I actually really like this. Not too overbearing, it's not too pink, but it's like the nice, I don't know, just a really nice color. Just to add the right amount of color back into my face, but it's like, it's really good, it's really seamless. It's the best, I gotta say. I'm gonna be setting my face, and I'm gonna be using the Morphe continuous setting mist. While my face dries down, I'm gonna be lining my lips with, you already know it, it's my NYX brown lip liner. My everyday lip combination, I just use the NYX Lip Butter Gloss, and this is in the shade Madeline. And I add a little bit of Creme Bluee. Highlight today, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution London, and this is the Cheek Kit Don't Hold Back, and I think I'm gonna go into this shade right here just to highlight it. Favorite highlighting fan brush, and this is from Real Techniques 428. I go ham on my highlight, okay? I don't know why, I just love that look. But this highlight though, a little bit goes a long way. You can have it really subtle or like really bomb, so it's whatever you desire. I just like this look. Look at that, look at that is. Whew. Some people might be doing dramatic, but for me, it couldn't be any more better. If I really want to look good, I'll add like a little bit of highlighter to the corner of my eye. So I'm just going to be taking this shade right here because it's more brighter. So that is it for my foundation routine. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you click on that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.